Your home tells a story about who you are, what you love, and the life you live within its walls. Every corner, every detail is a reflection of your personality and your dreams. The spaces you create are more than just rooms. They are living, breathing expressions of your journey. Every object, color, and texture plays a part, but one element can transform everything: light. Light is the invisible artist, painting your home with mood and meaning, shaping how you feel the moment you walk in. Light is the secret language of your home. It can whisper comfort, sing joy, or tell tales of romance and magic. The way light falls across a room can turn the ordinary into the extraordinary, making every evening feel special. The right lighting changes the mood, turning ordinary rooms into extraordinary sanctuaries. It can energize you in the morning, help you unwind at night, or set the perfect scene for laughter and connection. It's not about expensive renovations. It's about understanding how to use light to shape your space. Even the simplest lamp or string of lights can make a world of difference when placed thoughtfully. Think of sunlight streaming through a window, or the harsh glare of a single bulb. Lighting makes all the difference. Natural light brings warmth and life, while artificial light can be tailored to suit your mood and needs. The right lighting helps you feel, not just see. It can make a small room feel spacious, or a large room feel cozy. With just a few changes, you can completely alter the atmosphere and energy of your home. Tonight, let's rediscover your home through the transformative power of light. Imagine the possibilities as you experiment and play with different sources and shades of light. I'll share 3 easy tricks to create a dreamy, enchanting atmosphere. No big budget or complicated plans required. These simple ideas can help you fall in love with your space all over again. By learning to speak the language of light, you can craft a home that nurtures and inspires you. You'll discover how light can support your routines, boost your mood, and make every day feel a little more magical. Let's begin this journey and unlock the magic within your walls. Your home is ready to shine in ways you never imagined. Our first trick is embracing soft lighting. Move away from harsh overhead lights. They flatten textures and create a cold feel. Soft lighting means layering gentle, diffused light from multiple sources. It wraps you in warmth and instantly creates calm and intimacy. Think of the inviting glow in a cozy restaurant or boutique hotel, created by intentional soft light. This lighting smooths imperfections, deepens colors, and encourages relaxation. Instead of lighting the whole room, focus on lighting the life within it. Reading nooks, conversation areas, quiet corners. You don't need an electrician or a big budget, just a new way of thinking. Ask yourself, how do I want to feel here for a magical evening? The answer is almost always calm and serene. Soft lighting is your foundation for a dreamy escape. Let's see how to create it. To bring a soft, inviting glow into your home, the first step is to turn off the main overhead light. Overhead lighting can often feel harsh and flatten the atmosphere, making a space feel less cozy. Instead, focus on creating layers of gentle illumination that add depth and warmth to your room. Use lamps with fabric shades. Linen, cotton, or paper are all excellent choices to diffuse and soften the light. These materials help scatter the light, reducing glare and creating a gentle ambient effect that's easy on the eyes. Place lamps at different heights throughout your space. Try a floor lamp by the sofa for reading, a table lamp on a console for accent lighting, or a small lamp on a shelf to brighten up a dark corner. Mixing heights adds visual interest and makes the room feel more dynamic. You don't need to spend a lot. Affordable lamps can be found at thrift stores or secondhand shops. Remember, the real magic is in the shade and the bulb you choose, not the price tag. Choose warm white or soft white bulbs for a golden, cozy hue. These bulbs mimic the gentle glow of candlelight and instantly make a space feel more welcoming. Avoid cool white or daylight bulbs, as they can make a room feel stark or clinical. Lower lumen bulbs or dimmer switches let you adjust the mood perfectly, whether you want a subtle glow for relaxing or a bit more brightness for reading. Dimmers are a simple upgrade that can transform your lighting experience. Arrange 3 sources of soft light in a triangle around your room for balance and flow. This setup helps distribute light evenly, eliminating dark corners and creating a harmonious atmosphere. This draws the eye naturally around the space and creates a cohesive, inviting feel that encourages relaxation and conversation. It's a simple trick that makes a world of difference, instantly transforming the mood and comfort of your home. Focus on creating pools of warm light, not uniform brightness. Let some areas remain softly shadowed for a more intimate, layered effect. Let your lighting highlight the moments that matter. Whether it's a quiet evening with a book, a family gathering, or a cozy night in with loved ones. That's how you craft a warm, enveloping glow that turns any room into a sanctuary of comfort and calm. Once your base of soft light is set, add a layer of magic with fairy lights. Fairy lights are like jewelry for your room, delicate, sparkling, and full of wonder. They don't provide much functional light, but their purpose is pure atmosphere. Use them year-round to create a sense of enchantment and nostalgia. Drape, wrap, or cluster them to highlight features like mantels, windows, or bookshelves. Choose warm white lights on thin copper or silver wire for an elegant floating effect. Fairy lights are flexible, affordable, and instantly elevate your space. Let's explore creative ways to use them. Transform your space tonight with fairy lights. Start with a glass vase or jar. Coil a strand of battery-operated fairy lights inside for a magical centerpiece. Drape lights along curtain rods or across a headboard for a dreamy romantic effect. Frame a mirror with fairy lights to double the sparkle and create a glamorous focal point. Wrap lights around indoor plants or bare branches in a vase for a natural, enchanted look. Battery-operated lights with timers are convenient and safe. Set them to turn on and off automatically. Always choose LED fairy lights. They're energy efficient and stay cool to the touch. Use fairy lights to draw with light, creating focal points and adding whimsy. Experiment with placement to find what feels most magical in your home. Fairy lights are your tool for instant transformation. Now, for the final touch, candles, the most ancient and romantic source of light. Candlelight is alive, flickering and casting a uniquely soft, flattering glow. It creates a sense of occasion, turning any evening into something special. The dynamic, shimmering light calms the mind and soothes the spirit. Scented candles add another layer. Vanilla, sandalwood, or lavender can enhance the mood. Choose candle styles that fit your decor, from minimalist pillars to elegant tapers. Group candles of different heights for a beautiful focal point. This final layer brings warmth, life, and timeless romance to your home. Arranging candles is simple and joyful. Create a cluster of pillar candles on a tray or mirrored platter for a glowing centerpiece. In the bedroom, place candles in safe holders on bedside tables or dressers for a serene, romantic mood. Always keep candles away from anything flammable. The bathroom is perfect for candlelight. Turn off overhead lights, light a few candles, and enjoy a spa-like retreat. Candlelight reflecting off water and tiles is incredibly relaxing. For fragrance, invest in a few high-quality scented candles made with natural waxes. For safety, flameless LED candles offer realistic flicker and peace of mind. Many have timers and remotes. Mix and match real and LED candles for ambiance and safety. Candlelight is the heart of your magical atmosphere. Use it to wind down, relax, and create rituals of self-care. Let your evenings glow with warmth and serenity. As you create a dreamy atmosphere, safety is essential. Never leave burning candles unattended. Extinguish every flame before leaving a room or going to sleep. Place candles on stable, heat-resistant surfaces, away from flammable items. Keep candles and matches out of reach of children and pets. Flameless LED candles are a worry-free alternative. For fairy lights and lamps, choose products certified by safety organizations. Don't overload outlets or run cords under rugs. Use battery-operated lights for flexibility. Shop your own home for lamps, candles, or vases before buying new. Thrift stores and discount shops are great for affordable lighting finds. Creating magic doesn't require a big budget. just creativity and care. Make your home both beautiful and safe. We've explored the world of magical lighting, soft lamps, sparkling fairy lights, and the timeless glow of candles. These simple touches can completely transform the atmosphere of your home, turning any ordinary evening into something truly special. These aren't complicated projects, they're simple tricks you can use tonight to transform your home. With just a few small changes, you can create a space that feels inviting, comforting, and uniquely yours. Think of this as an invitation to slow down, be present, and connect with your space. Let your home become a gentle retreat from the outside world, a place where you can truly unwind. Move a lamp, unbox those fairy lights, light a candle. See how the light changes everything. Notice how each small action brings a new sense of comfort and magic to your surroundings. This is the art of living, small, intentional moments of beauty. It's about creating an environment that supports your well-being and brings you joy, one gentle light at a time. Tonight, after the day winds down, try it. Turn off harsh lights, switch on a soft lamp, drape fairy lights, light a candle. Let your evening routine become a ritual of comfort and care. Add soft music, a cup of tea or wine, and just be in the space you've created. Savor the quiet, the warmth, and the gentle glow that surrounds you. Let the gentle light wash over you, melting away stress and filling you with peace. Allow yourself to fully relax, knowing you've crafted this moment for yourself. You have the power to turn the ordinary into the extraordinary. Every evening can become a celebration of comfort, beauty, and tranquility. Your home can be a sanctuary that nurtures your spirit and inspires your dreams. Let it be a place where you can reflect, create, and simply be yourself. It all starts with embracing the magic of light. With every lamp you switch on, every candle you light, you're inviting warmth and wonder into your life. Give yourself the gift of a beautiful, cozy, magical evening at home. You deserve to feel comforted and inspired by the space you live in. Let your home tell a new story, one filled with warmth, wonder, and light. Tonight, let the magic begin.